Welcome back. Let's practice strong English together. Hey there, and welcome back to another episode of the Strong English Podcast. I'm your host, Erica. We're thrilled you're here. Our goal is to help you speak English more clearly and feel more confident doing it.
And I'm Daniel, your co-host. Whether you're traveling, working, or just chatting with friends, we're here to help you sound natural and relaxed in English. Erica, should we dive right in?
Absolutely, Dan. And today's topic is one I think a lot of learners will find super useful. We're going to cover essential phrases you'll need when dining out at a restaurant.
I love this topic. Eating out is fun, and knowing what to say makes the experience even better.
Definitely. Even simple things like ordering can feel stressful if you're unsure of the words to use.
Right. From asking about the menu to getting the server's attention, having the right phrases really helps.
And that's what we're here for. We'll give you practical, polite phrases you can actually use.
So whether you're brand new to eating out in an English-speaking country, or just want to sound smoother, stick with us.
We'll help you speak up, order with ease, and feel confident at the table. Daniel, what's the first thing you do when you walk into a busy restaurant without a reservation?
That's always a little tricky. I usually head straight to the host or hostess stand.
Exactly. A simple, polite phrase works great. You can say, "A table for two, please."
Classic and effective. What if they ask if you have a reservation and you don't?
No problem. Just say, "I'm afraid we don't have one. How long is the wait?"
That's a polite way to keep things moving. So now you've been seated. The server comes over. What's next?
Often, they'll ask if you want drinks. You could say, "Could we have a moment to look at the drink menu?"
Gives you a little time to decide. And if you're ready, just say, "I'll have a lemonade, please." Or just water for now.
Great. Now let's talk about the food. If you want a recommendation, a great phrase is, "What do you recommend?"
Or, "What are the specials today?" Both are friendly and show you're open to trying something new.
Now, how do you let the server know you're ready to order?
A good tip, close your menu and place it on the table. That's a universal signal.
Yep. And if you need to be more direct, make eye contact and say, "I think we're ready to order."
Polite, clear, and helpful. That covers the first part of the meal.
And remember, always add a please or thank you. It really makes a difference.
Coming up, we'll look at what to say once your food arrives. Just a moment, Erica. We've got a caller on the line. Hello, Marta. Welcome to the Strong English Podcast.
Hi, Dan and Erica. I just love your show.
Thanks, Marta. What's your question today?
Sometimes I want to change something in a dish. Is that okay? And how do I ask?
Great question. It's totally normal to ask for small changes. Try saying, "Could I get the salad with the dressing on the side?" Nice and polite.
That sounds simple. What if I don't want a certain ingredient like onions?
Then you can say, "Could I please have the burger with no onions?"
Or, "I'd like the pasta, but without mushrooms, please." Most places are happy to help.
Oh, so just saying with no or without is enough. That's much easier than I thought.
Exactly. It's clear and respectful.
What about swapping something, like fries instead of salad?
Another great one. You can ask, "Would it be possible to substitute the salad for fries?"
Just keep in mind there might be a small extra charge, but it's okay to ask.
Thank you. I always felt nervous changing things.
You don't have to be. As long as you're polite, it's totally fine.
You're doing great by learning how to ask.
I feel much more confident now. Thanks.
You're welcome, Marta. Enjoy your next meal out.
That was a fantastic call. And now let's talk about what happens when the food actually arrives.
Yes, the fun part. But what if you need something? Or if something's not quite right?
Let's start with simple requests. If you need more water, you can say, "Excuse me, could I have some more water, please?"
Or for condiments, like ketchup, "Could we please have some ketchup?"
Now, let's say your food is cold. You might say, "Excuse me, I'm sorry, but my steak is a little cold. Would it be possible to heat it up?"
Starting with I'm sorry or excuse me helps keep things polite.
And if you got the wrong dish, say something like, I believe I ordered the chicken, but this looks like the fish.
That's a nice neutral way to point it out.
Exactly. Most restaurants want to fix things for you. Just be kind and clear.
And when everything's great, tell them.
Everything was delicious, thank you. It makes the server's day.
After that, it's time to pay. A simple, could we have the check please, is perfect.
That wraps up the meal, but I think we've got another great question coming up. We've got another caller. It's Jonas on the line. Hello, Jonas. Welcome.
Hi, Erica and Dan. I always learn something new from your podcast.
That's great to hear. What's your question today?
I get confused about paying. How do I ask to pay separately? And I don't really understand tipping.
Both really good questions. Let's take them one at a time.
First, if you want separate checks, say, could we have separate checks, please?
Should I ask that at the beginning?
If you can, yes. When you order is a good time.
But if you forget, just say, would it be possible to split this?
That helps. Now about tipping.
In the U.S., tipping is standard. Servers rely on it as part of their income.
How much should I leave?
Usually 15% to 20% of the bill before tax. If the service is good, 18% is normal. For great service, go with 20% or more.
Is the tip ever included?
Yes, sometimes for large groups, the bill will say gratuity included or service charge.
If it is, you don't need to add more unless you really want to.
This is super helpful. I always worry I'm doing it wrong.
You're not alone. Even native speakers have questions about tipping.
Now you've got the basics, and you sound more prepared already.
Thanks so much. I feel more confident now.
That's what we like to hear.
Thanks for calling, Jonas. Enjoy your next meal. All right, time for a quick quiz. Erica, ready to test your restaurant English?
You bet.
First question. You walk into a restaurant and need a table for 4. What do you say?
A table for 4, please.
Nice and clear. Next, you forgot to order a drink. How do you ask for one?
Excuse me, could I also get a glass of water, please?
Perfect. Last one. You've finished your meal. How do you ask for the bill?
Could we have the check, please?
Well done, Erica.
And listeners, pause and try to answer before hearing me say it. It's great practice. Time for Fix That Phrase, where we help turn awkward phrases into natural ones. Dan, what if someone says, I want food list? What's a better way to say it?
Try, could I have the menu, please?
That's right. Now what about give me water?
That's a little too direct. A better way is, could I have some water, please?
Exactly. Adding please really helps.
Last one, the food is not hot.
Try, excuse me, my food is a bit cold.
Those small changes make a big difference.
Time for your listener challenge.
Practice saying 3 phrases related to today's episode topic.
Start with, what do you recommend?
Next, could I have the chicken without the sauce, please?
And finally, could we have the check, please?
Say each phrase out loud 3 times. Even better, role play with a friend.
You can even practice with an online restaurant menu.
It's a great way to build confidence.
Now, it's time for shadowing. Remember, just repeat each phrase after us. A table for 2, please. A table for 2, please. A table for 2, please.
Could I see the menu, please? Could I see the menu, please? Could I see the menu, please?
I'd like the pasta, please. I'd like the pasta, please. I'd like the pasta, please.
Could we have the check, please? Could we have the check, please? Could we have the check, please? Practice these and like phrases again whenever you have a few minutes.
Wow, what an episode! And now I'm hungry.
Same here. Today we covered how to get a table, order food, make changes, and even pay the bill.
Plus great questions from Marta and Jonas.
And don't forget the practice sections. Quick quiz, fix that phrase, and shadowing.
All designed to help you move from listening to speaking.
Keep practicing. You've got this.
Okay, that wraps it up for today. And guess what? Your English muscles just got stronger.
Keep those smiles wide and those words flowing. You're getting better with every episode. And hey, if you like the show, share it with a friend. Learning is always more fun together.
Thank you for listening. We'll catch you next time on the Strong English Podcast.